Hi everyone, back again to me, and in this video I would like to read some article again. And before I start, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. China is Gazprom to Shell pipeline Tesla price hike. What's moving markets? This article by Peter North, investing.com. China eases monetary policy once more. Europe suffers from more gas supply worries while an Iranian nuclear deal could be on verge of being agreed upon, weighing on the price of oil. US stocks are set to open sharply lower, and Tesla leaves the price of its advanced driver assistance system. Here what you need to know in financial market on Monday, August 22. 1. China steps up easing. Beijing is clearly worried about the slowdown in the Chinese economy. The People's Bank of China lowered its 1-year loan prime rate by 5 basis points to 3.65% at the central bank monthly fixing on Monday, while the 5-year LPR was cut by 15 basis points to 4.30%. This followed last week's surprise decision to lower to other benchmark interest rates. China's economy, the world's second biggest, narrowly avoided contracting in the second quarter, but with the spread COVID-19 lockdowns and a property crisis are weighing heavily on consumer and corporate confidence. Influential investment bank Goldman Sachs last week cut its full-year GDP growth forecast for China to 3% from 3.3% previously, far below Beijing's official target of around 5.5%. Gas to page to exacerbate European energy concern. Europe's energy was intensified after Gazprom announced late Friday it will stop delivering natural gas to Europe through its main pipeline for 3 days at the end of the month, further squeezing energy supplies. This resulted in the drop from month gas contract, the European benchmark soaring 11% higher to 270 euros a megawatt hour, up further from Friday's records closing high. The supply of gas through this pipeline has been the subject of much concern for weeks after Gazprom closed the blowdown for maintenance work last month. It had subsequently resumed at just 20% of capacity, and European authorities have repeatedly warned of the possibility of a complete shutdown as the Kremlin retaliates for sanctions imposed because of its war in Ukraine. Many European countries and Germany in particular are struggling to fill storage sites ahead of winter and have been urgently seeking out alternative sources of power. 3. Stocks set to drop. Palo Alto Zoom to reports. US stock markets are set to open sharply lower Monday with investors nervous ahead of the Federal Reserve eagerly awaited Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. The Wall Street Index all closed lower Friday, halting the summer rally on fears that the reason hawkish tone from a number of Fed policymakers will translate into the continuation of more aggressive interest rate hikes, potentially with another 75 basis point increase in September. The blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped almost 300 points or 0.9% on Friday. The broad-based S&P 500 fell 1.3% and tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite closed 2% lower. Fed Chairman Jay Powell is set to speak in Jackson Hole, Wyoming on Friday, and investors will be looking for possible answers about how high US interest rates may go and how long they will need to stay at elevated levels to bring inflation back under control. On a corporate note, Palo Alto Networks and Zoom Video Communication are set to report results after the bell Monday, while Tesla will also be in the spotlight after lifting the cost of its advanced driver assistance system. Okay, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And see you soon.